So summer's here, and what a difference that makes to us all. But with summer comes a slightly different challenge when it comes to logistics of certain products that sell really well at this time of year. So you might need to consider how your items are being packed for transit, because of course you've got very hot vans, very hot sortation hubs, and very hot fulfillment centres as well. So you may need to consider how we're going to be storing your product. Now at Diamond Logistics, we have areas of our warehouse that are temperature controlled or ambient if they need that sort of storage. But at the same time, we need to make sure that we're packing the goods to make sure that they're fit for carriage and they're going to end up in the hands of your customers in the way that you want them to. So it could be that you need ice packs within your boxes. It could be that you need the thermo wrapping of each of your items. But the good thing is that you can talk to us and we can give you advice as to how we can best package and how we can best store your product in the best possible way.